Hello students, today we will discuss about a concept called as a routing. Routing is a process of finding the best path between the source and destination. Usually in MANET the routing is one of the very difficult or a complex task compared to the wired network or in an ad hoc network. When you compare it to the wired network, routing is a very complex task because there will be a lot of or continuous change in the topologies, maybe because of the battery power, or maybe because the nodes will be shifting from one network to another, or the nodes will be going out of the range of the network. Because of that reason, the routing is one of the very difficult concept in MANET. So it is quite possible that when the destination node is not in the transmission range of the source node, the route has to be formed with the help of inverting nodes in the network. Means when suppose assume that certain route is created for the MANET, because we know that it is using a hopping method. It uses other nodes as a transmission method. It is not having a fixed infrastructure. And when one of the node moves out of the range, it has to look for some other node. So this is what is one of the complex tasks when it comes to the routing. So in MANET, it is quite possible that nodes make themselves move or shut down due to low power energy. So it is very important for the MANET to manage these routes. So in this MANET, the routing is one of the expensive or difficult task. Here it is displayed with the figure how this routing is done. Suppose assume that whenever there is an incoming packet in the MANET. So what it will do is it will forward that particular packet to the next node, that is through hop. And whenever the packet forwarding is done, the sender needs to ensure that the packet is moving towards the destination, and he has to make sure the number of hops or paths what he is maintaining, that should be minimized or minimum, and also the delay should be minimum, so that the route or a path should not be disconnected, and also the packet loss needs to be minimized, and the packet does not move, and it should make sure that the packet does not move around the network endlessly. So these are the things which has to be considered when it comes to the routing. So this was about routing in the MANET, and thank you for watching this video.